Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good anytime you come across this video. Is your video one once again? For those people who can't pronounce my name, I'm very sorry. I love this name. It's very when I said very dear to me. My name is Ijore Oviedioma. Oviedioma means daughter of old man. My father was very old and I so much love him. That is my name is Ijore Oviedioma. So this topic is about white and black. Some men, when they are dating white women, then take that relationship very serious. They try to respect the white woman and the children that the white woman have for them. I didn't say you should not respect the white woman, but I want you to transfer when you are no longer with that white woman anymore. Please, my brother, you are with a black. Please do the same thing that you were doing with that white woman, that nice, that going out things that you were doing with the white woman. Do it with this black woman, please. Please, all the good things you are doing with the white woman, I so much like it. Me, I'm not a white, I'm a black African. I'm very proud of my country and my color. Very proud. If you know me, you will know that I'm very proud of my color. Very proud. But I come across so many, the way they take black is like black. They are just like that now. Beg anything you want do with black, but you know if you try with white, brother, they are not special than us. They are not special. If some whites will give you guys a document, the same thing. We blacks, we Africa, we do give document for people as well. It's not maybe because of the white woman give you something you have to cut your head, or you have to respect, or that respect you are giving that white woman. I so much love it, and I want you to do the same thing. In case if you are no longer with that white woman anymore, transfer that love that you are possessed, or everything that you have been possessing with that white woman. Do it with the black woman you have now. You are with a white woman, you take her out, you take her for shopping, you take her to make a nice Africa hair, you take her to eat Africa food, you take her to restaurants to eat, you take her to Slima, so on and so forth. When you are with white women, when you guys are celebrating this birthday of a teen, I know you buy gifts for your children, even though you are not there, but you remember to buy a nice gift. Sometimes I come across some men in boutique, in any places they buy things. They are looking for those color, fine color, all those colorful things. And sometimes it's very expensive. They will buy a watch, anything, shoes, or anything they will buy is a gift for the white child. But my brother, you forget, say the black child now see na blood na still flow for your body. That your black children, you don't remember that you will buy gift. You always put everything for the mother head. Now the mother go do this. Now her mother go celebrate birthday for her. Even some of you guys, even though you won't bring your money to celebrate children's birthday, is wrong. When you are with a black woman, I want to know, why do you forget your children's birthday? Why can't you go out there to buy some gift? That color one you always buy for your white child. Why can't you buy the same thing for the black child you have? Is it the white child that you have is more better than the black one that you have? Please don't try to get me wrong. I'm not angry with you. I just try to say, please do things and accordingly. I think I pronounce it well. Don't try to make someone superior than the other. If you can remember the white child gift birthday, why do you forget the black child birthday? If you forget about white child birthday, you will forget the other black child that they have for you. They are all the same. Sometimes when you guys are with white, you take that white wife of yours to dinner, to restaurants, to silly man, to everything. But when you are with black woman, you forget about all those things. You don't take her to dinner, you don't take her to Sliman, you don't take her to play a game like bullying. I think I pronounce it very well, sorry. Why do you forget that thing? Why do you think the white people are so precious than the black one? Please leave your comment. Brother, if you love that your wife, don't forget about herself. Try to remind her, like go to Slima, go to restaurant. It's not every time your wife have to cook before you eat. You can eat from January to December. There is no day a black man take his wife out for a Slima, for a dinner. It's not right, my brothers. It's not right. But when you are with white women, you don't forget. Mia. You always take her to eat, to stroll. Let's walk. But some people will say, no, I never date a white woman. But there are some that date a white woman after getting what they have. They leave the white woman, or one thing and the other. They leave the white woman and they are with black. All those things, they won't remember to say, okay, I was with a white woman, we always go out, although I don't know that kind of thing. She's the one that taught me. Why can't you use that experience that you have with that white woman? Why can't you use it for the black woman? You don't do it. But even the woman said, let's go and eat. You will calculate the money. This money is big. Oh, my brother, try to be nice with your black. If you believe you are just like them, it's only the skin that change. The inside us, we are the same with the white. They will put you in that position you put yourself. When you complain too much, brother, say the place you are working, the white men always take us like a slave. What do you think? When you take your wife as a slave at home, you don't make her feel like she's a woman. Do you know how to make woman? Do you know how to make a wife like I'm the top? You have to take her, go outside, stroll, even though na leg not say waka, na not get car. Waka, go to Slima, go and play game like that. All those bullying. I don't know what you guys call it over there. Eat in restaurants. If you can't still eat in restaurant, order food. Now we order food at home, not only Mado. Don't get me wrong. You order Mado at home. Order food. You eat together. Change your way. Black African lady, please don't get me wrong. I just want to ask a question. Some of you, when you are with a white man, you try to bath, try to make your hair nice. Every time you make up, even though you don't make up that much, you try to be fine. When I say baddest, you take off yourself. When you bath, you remember to spray your perfume. You remember to spray your odorant. You don't forget. And when you have that child with a white man, after you left, you go with black men. After maybe you are with black man later, you don't do things as normal. For me, I believe it's normal when you are that white man, try to make up, try to be that point. You try to look good. Is it because you want to look good for that white man? Why can't you look good for your husband? Why can't you look good for the black man that you have? Why can't you spray a perfume? Why can't you shave your armpit every time? Armpits need to be shaved. You use your sponge to wash that armpit. Try to change your way, my lady. When some of you are with white men, you look good, you try to wear the mini skirt, the mini short, and you try to make a fine hair in your head. And when you are with a black man, you don't look good. Do you think all those men men love all women that, even though you don't too much have that respect. I know men need respect, but if you don't have that much, you don't be fine woman. But when you neat, you smell good. When you are in bed, you go shower. Your man always see a nice perfume on you. Before you go down there, he must play now. But when you are dirty, it's not maybe there is no money. There is a cheap way you can look good. People will think you have that money. In Nigeria, try to look good for your man. When you can do it for the white man, you can easily do it for the black man, my lady. You are with a white man, you wear short, but you are with a black man like you. You don't care. You forget about to make up. You forget about to make your hair. You said, the stress is children's stress. When you know you can't take care of your children, you have to limit the children that you have. Okay? If it's because of the children, look good to your partner. Okay? Okay, mommy and daddy in the house, I love you guys. Please don't fail to give me that thumbs up. Okay? Sometimes I see a lot of comments, but the thumbs up is not that much. Thank you very much. If you do love it, try to give me the thumbs up. Okay, mommy? Bye.